Apple Intelligent Writing Tool is a game changer for rewriting, proofreading, and composing text, providing a more efficient, accurate, and faster workflow. But unfortunately, these tools are only available on Apple Silicon Macs. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to access writing tool on unsupported Mac to enhance your writing experience and boost your productivity. First, I would like to show you that I am using an old MacBook Pro from 2015 running macOS Sequoia. However, you do not need to have macOS Sequoia for this method. It will work perfectly on older Mac operating system as well. Anyway, let's start the video. First, we need to install a free software called Python. Make sure to install the latest version of this software. After installing Python, visit the GitHub website to download writing tool created by high school student Jesse Turon. Next, open your terminal app. Type cd, give a space. Now, navigate to your download folder and open the writing tool folder. Drag and drop the Windows and Linux folder into your terminal window. Hit the enter key. Now we need to type a small terminal command. You can copy this command either from the GitHub website or the description of this video and paste it into your terminal app. Hit the enter key. This command will download the necessary files for writing tool. After completing the process, enter a small command to launch the writing tool. By default, the shortcut for this app is Ctrl plus spacebar, but you can modify it if you wish. Once you have done that, click Next. Please keep in mind you can minimize the terminal app but keep it open. On the next page, click on Get API Key. Your web browser will open and redirect you to Google AI Studio. Now, click on Create API Key to generate your API key. Copy this key and paste it into the writing tool window. And that's it. Click on Finish AI Setup to close this window. Let's check the app. Friends, Writing Tool is an Apple Intelligent inspired application for unsupported Mac that works everywhere, as you can see on developer website. To reopen this app, open your terminal, type cd, give a space, and drag the Windows and Linux folder into the terminal window. Press the enter key and type or paste this command to launch this app.